Hi, I'm Mark Woolbright, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about SmartSlope and its modular molded accessories. We've got a wet cast concrete module that's very precise, and it's poured in a plastic form, which is very innovative. And it is a block that's bonded to a plastic liner, and the liner has become part of the inside of the block, giving it really good dimensions, but it also gives it receptor points for specifically matched components. Components like our Smart Shield, which is designed to snap in right here, and you would snap this in and its companion on the opposite side. They're offset and they overlap in the backfill, and they serve to dissipate energy and protect soil backfill from erosion in high flow applications. This is a great advantage for us and for the customer in that we have one standard inventory item. We don't make 15 different blocks for different specialty purposes. We make one block with a lot of receptors, and we make accessories that are light, inexpensive, easy to transport, and they're putting right at the job by the crew that's doing the installation, and they're only put in where they're needed. And so we think this is pretty smart, hence SmartSlope. Another thing that we do very well here is we know that when you pull a block above up to the back of the face, you make a natural 70-degree wall angle with these. Well, if you want to have more of a slope, more setback, we make preset spacers, and they're also injection molded plastic and very durable, and the receptors in the top rail of the module take these snap-in accessories. And so you snap that in, and now the block above pulls up to the spacer. So you've got nice contact here, no potential for sliding. You're engaging the value of the lip shear strength here, and the contractor can build an extremely precise 60-degree slope without any issues. These are light, inexpensive, easy to apply. They stay put when you put them in because of the way they're made. And then with the modules pulled up and engaged, the contractor can employ large, efficient compaction equipment right up to the tails of the block without worrying about moving his angle of inclination for the wall. Now that's pretty smart. Now if you want to build a wall that goes all the way back to 50 degrees, then we've got a longer spacer and does the same thing. And as we go along, if there's a demand for spacers that are in between and different degrees, we'll manufacture those or come up with enhancements so that these can be snapped off and used at different angles of inclination. But suffice to say, I'm pretty happy about the way this thing came out. Now the next thing that I want to show you is our Smart Radius support. And this is looks like a little truss, almost like something from a bridge construction or roof construction. And we've got receptor notches inside the module, and when you go around radiuses, a lot of times the blocks get off bond. That meaning that they're not evenly straddling. And so if they're off center, the block above wants to fall into the trough. And if this is filled with earth or dirt like it's supposed to for plant growth, that's going to compress over time and the block's going to move. So we needed some nice level load-bearing way to give the block something to sit on when they're off bond, when they're going around tight radiuses. So when you're doing an inside radius, you would use the slot closest to the face. When you're doing an outside radius, you'd use the slot that's closest to the tail. There are times when you might want to use one of these Smart Radius supports in both slots. In any case, it's open to the backfill material and roots, so everything can penetrate through here, and none of our accessories impede the growth of plant material. That's key. We designed it like that from the very beginning. So that is really the essence of the system, that we've got one block that can do many, many things. It simplifies production for the local producers. It really enables us to produce it as close to the job as possible to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels in the hauling of it. And it inexpensively brings a lot of functionality to the block. So enjoy, and I hope you get a chance to use SmartSlope for yourself and send me some feedback. Thank you.